So this is part one of, so I'm going to be doing fidgets to bring to different places, you guys. So first is what fidgets you can bring on an airplane and what fidgets I wouldn't bring. So yeah, okay. First, I wouldn't bring a poppet, because they can be loud, especially this one, because not this one's the soft side, but look at the hard side. And that could annoy people while they're sleeping or taking a rest. Monkey noodles I wouldn't bring because they can fling across. They can fling and get in different places like that. But some things to bring is squishies. They're soft and they relieve stress. I love this one. And you can bring this because if you're ever bored on a plane, it will distract you. But if you don't have this, it's okay. And then this, I don't know if it's really a fidget, but you can use it and flip it around if you want. I don't know. But you could bring this for a stuffed animal when you're resting on the plane, if you're sleeping in there for the night. Yeah. So, and then what you can bring is, let me look at these. Oh, bike chains. Bike chains are great. Bike chains are fun to some people, a lot of people, and they aren't loud, don't break. This is my most unbreakable fidget I have. I have all my other fidgets, they break, except this one is hard to break too, I'd say, and monkey. But this one would be the best out of all of them to me. But this is my favorite to do. I know a lot of people don't like them, but to me, I like them. Then let's look at what else there is. Oh, stress balls like these, they're gonna pop. They can pop on a plane, and then all the stuff will go everywhere. It's messy, really messy. And at some point, your hands can start hurting from it. Here, I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. So, and something else you can, mochis. They're really good. They're sweet, and they don't break for they're never loud. So I'd say they're good. They can hurt your hands at some points too. Few. Dimples. They can be loud, but DIY ones like these, they aren't always loud. This one's not that loud either, but I love this dimple. Something else, fidget spinners. Those you can bring, except this one, because this one's loud and something's wrong with it. And then I have this one thing at the bottom. I got this at Fun Spot in New Hampshire, our biggest arcade in the world. And I got it in a golden egg. So there's an egg machine, and they have a golden egg, and I got it, and it had this in there. But all the ones that are not golden eggs, they're not really fun. They're like little tiny rings with faces on them. But this is great. It's fun. And let's think this is like my last thing. Oh yeah, I know over there. This is the second door. This isn't, to me, it's not really that fun. But you guys like it, and you could use one of these. And you can put it on for a keychain. I kind of like them, but like they're not my favorite. So now I have one more thing. Or two more maybe. I don't know. Oh yeah, wacky tracks. Okay, two more. I put a bunch together to make this. So you can use these. And these can be loud though. So like this. But I these are really fun, I know, but to a lot of people, but it's not good for a plane. Now this I really love. This thing is like, some people have it. I don't really see that much YouTubers that have it. I got this a long time ago, like when I was 6 maybe, or 5. It wasn't a fidget. I didn't know it was a fidget though. And so I'd say you can bring this, like, I don't really know if you, you can use these, but use them calmly and not like this, because then that could fill up. But still, I wouldn't really bring this on a plane. So, I think that's all for today, folks. Let's see if there's one more. Oh, pea poppers. It's all the way at the bottom. There. This. Pea poppers. Mine's breaks. See, like, so I don't pop that one right there. Pea poppers, no, I wouldn't bring really, because, or you can bring them. They're really fun, but I don't want to bring them because it's not really that fun to me that all the time, and they break easily. Like this one's my fidget that breaks the most, and I don't like that it breaks. See, now I can't pop this one right here. But yeah, that's all. And I'll keep up to you guys soon. I might be taking a break for a week because I don't have any video ideas. So, bye guys. Have a great weekend. Bye.